again. It's Tracy. Okay, so all of my other ones are just absolutely messed up. So today we're getting rid of the glasses, so there's no glare. Anyway, we're gonna try one more time. Okay, getting frustrated with all of this. I'm not in landscape mode. I'm in portrait mode. So if this one is screwed up, I'm gonna be so mad. Anyway, my Ulta unboxing, that was the one that was sideways. That was in landscape mode. I've done 2 vlogs. No, I'm sorry, I did 1 vlog. My phone overheated on the other one, so the second one didn't get done. I'm in my bar today, so hold on. Let there be light. I have a lot of lights over here. Okay, so now that I'm not like looking all goofy, okay, so my Ulta unboxing. I was sideways. One of my vlogs, it's okay, but it's dark. I was in my car. I was driving home. So the light was going all wonky and everything. So yeah, that one didn't. I still have to look at that one. The second vlog that I did, my phone overheated, so it just shut off. So here we go. We're gonna try another one. It's an unboxing. It's just a little one. When I was at the grocery store today, this guy came up to me. I was getting I was in the medicine aisle at HEB, and he comes up to me. Oh, well, do you wear makeup? And I'm like, duh. This poor guy. So he wrangled me in on this Emmy makeover essentials. So I spent $23 on this. He said the primer generally goes for $23 or goes for $20, taxes and stuff. And so there was a lot more. So in the little bag there is a little makeup bag, and then in here, this is the primer. And he said that it's very lightweight. It won't cause breakouts, lets your skin breathe, that fun stuff. So, I did try it on my hand, the back of my hand at the store. So I was like, you know what? I've broken out from so many primers. Might as well try another one, see what happens. So here's the component. He said these have not yet hit the stores. This is half an ounce, basically, 0.49 of an ounce. So it's really lightweight. It's, as you can see in the bottle, it is clear. So that's the primer. And I mean, it's got the bottle. I mean, it's a fairly heavy bottle. It's good for 24 months once it's opened. The glass part of it feels kind of like frosted glass, and then just, you know, a little bit of metal. So it's a cute little component. And then also in here is Eye Addiction eyeshadow set. So sorry, I'm trying to do too many things at once here. So that's the outside. Sorry, kid. Okay, so this one is Eye Addiction, includes 4 eyeshadow pots, 1 dual end applicator, clear vinyl case. So that's the back. So let's open this one up. Maybe. Possibly. Possibly not. No, you need to go to bed. No. No. Isabel, go to bed. Someone's desperate to be on. Hurry up. No. Now. Go. I'm going to pause again. Oh, Okay, once again, here we go. I talked about this in my vlog with dealing with her. She has psychological disabilities, and so she is a very difficult child sometimes. So getting back to this, if I can, there we go. So this is the Eye Addiction. Oh, that's kind of cute. So here it is. Open. And again, this isn't sponsored. I bought these today. And I can't get them out. So it's got its own little case. That is so cute. And it's just got 4 of these little eyeshadow pots in here. I'm going to take them all out real quick. And each one of these is 0.042 of an ounce. So here's it's purple. I'll do a little swatch. So there it is on my finger. And there it is. I'm not good at swatching, so bear with me. Still got to figure out where's a good spot to put them at. So that's the purple one. This doesn't have a name on it. There's a nice kind of a cocoa brown color. And there it is. Sorry, I have a dog underfoot. And I should do this over here. Duh. So, right there's the cocoa one. The other two, I'm going to put them over here. So this one is kind of like a gold color. And there it is on the finger. And I have another dog in here. And that is quite transparent. Yeah, that, can't see that. It's right there. Now, in its defense, it is rather light. I haven't used these, so don't know how it's going to work. And then this last color is, I guess I should have showed you. It's a silver color. So there it is on the finger. And again, this one is very light. It's right there. So the purple one and the cocoa brown colored one, those ones are nice. I like those. And yes, I just wiped it on my pants. I have to do laundry tomorrow. I don't care. Okay, so in the bag, we have this. So we have some tools that I can't open. There we go. So we have a dual-ended eyeshadow brush. And they seem, this side really soft. But yeah, they seem pretty soft. So that'll be added to all my stuff. And we have something I won't use. We have a brow brush, or brow pencil and brush. I might keep it for the spoolie. And I might also give it to my coworker. I don't know yet. And then we have eyeliner and eyebrow brush, which is this. It might get used for the eyeliner part. I just use regular eyeliner. I either use pencil or I have a liquid, and then a lash and eyebrow comb and brush. And then we have this, which I'm thinking is an eyelash curler. I think. And it is. Okay. I figured it out. So, it's actually kind of cute. So, this little piece back here folds down. And then you just squeeze. No, I'm not going to do it. I might try it tomorrow. And it looks like it's got extra ones down here. The little rubber pieces. Looks like there's 2 extras down here. And there's also 2 more in here. I don't know for sure. No, this is 1. Sorry. So, came with 3 extra ones. I'm going to actually put all these things back in here so I don't lose them. Because knowing my luck, I will. Okay. And then came with also mascara. So you guys are getting to see this as I do. I did take them out of the bag and look earlier, but I didn't open anything because I went, okay, we're going to try this again. So here's the mascara. It's probably black. Yeah, it's black. So there's the wand. Looks kind of almost gel. Almost like a gel. I don't know if you can see. I'll try it. And then last but not least, we have an eye design set. So that's what this is. Now some of this has, I'm thinking something's broke. So I'm going to be careful opening this. Nope, it's not broke. Thank God. Did have a little plastic in there. So, there's a little mirror, so there are the colors. And it says shimmer, brown powder, black liner, highlighter. So the shimmer is probably highlighter. Shimmer. Which one would be the shimmer? Oh, maybe this is the shimmer. Brown powder, black liner, and then the highlighter. So that's probably what this is for. So the eyeliner is kind of like a gel, I guess. Oh, wow. I may have to play with that one. Sorry, grabbing a napkin. Ones that have not been used, they've been sitting up here for years. And I do mean years. We're talking like 2006. They're very old napkins, and then I just drop it on the floor. Be right back. Yes, I'm in a bar. I'm on, literally, I have a bar in my house. Okay, got that clipped. Get my butt back up here. Okay, so I guess I can just use this. So we'll go into, let's do the shimmer first for the highlighter. Not much payout there. Yeah, there's not really that much there. Let's try with the finger. Comes out better on the finger. Pretty translucent. Yeah, it's one thing I agree with Jeffree Star. Blind me. So let's try this. Oh, that was the highlighter. Let's try the shimmer, which is the pink one. Let's see if this is any better. At least you can see it. And I don't know if it's showing up the same as it is. It's kind of like a brown color almost. And I didn't go into the brown one, so. Here it is on the phone. That turned out better. And then last but not least, we'll go on this side with this, not even sure what this brown is. Can't really see it, it's a brown brush. And that one's pretty good. It's right there. So overall, we'll work with it and see what we can do. I'm good at doing that. So that's it for today. Holy crap, it's not half an hour. Oh my god. I can actually do a video in less than half an hour. Oh my god, yay me. So that's everything in here. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, if you have any ideas, I'm going to be looking through Kirsty's videos. And I don't like this one. It's difficult to open. I'm going to look through Kirsty's videos. I got the tips came in, the nail polishes, the gel polishes that I ordered came in, and the little holder, I guess, for the nail, that came in. And I went to the dollar store and I bought some of those little glue dots. I figured that's probably going to be easiest to put on those, to hold it on there. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to find a video of hers and try to do it, follow it. We'll see how badly I screw it up. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And hopefully here I'll be putting out some more videos, and hopefully I will get to following one of Kirsty's for you guys. So we'll see how well I do. That one's going to be funny, I'll bet you. That one's going to need to be edited. This one I won't. So y'all have a good night, and we'll see you on the next one. Be good to each other and be good to yourselves. Have a good night. Bye-bye.